Number 2, write an expression based on the scenario. A, we have Jenny bought 3 red cotton scarf for S dollars each in the department store. She gives a $50 bill to the cashier at the counter. Write an expression for the change she received from the counter. So let's label some important information here. First of all, we can label the 3 red cotton scarves, and that is going to be for S dollars. Then she gave $50 to the cashier. Write an expression for the change she received. So understand that what is happening is she's trying to get her change back. Okay, so this is going to be the change back, right? So what is the $50 here? Well, we start with the $50. Okay, then we want to either add or subtract the red scarf. Well, if we add the red scarf, it would be that her change back is more. That wouldn't make sense. Okay, it wouldn't be adding, it would be minusing, because her change back is going to be a smaller value based on the red cotton. So how much red cotton did she basically purchase? 3 of them. So we can say it is 3 red cotton, but we have a price for it. We say that the red cottons were D dollars. So it would be this, D dollars. So your change back would be 50 minus 3D. Because the change back has to be smaller, that is why we subtracted. Next, to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the department store, the owner is giving discounts on selective items. Daniela wants a wrist watch for $89 and a blanket for $12. The discounted price of the rich watch is S dollars in Q. Write the expression for the amount of discount for the wristwatch. Okay, so we want to look for the wristwatch. All right, so let's see, is there any important information? The 1-year anniversary is useless. We know that the wristwatch costs us $89, so we should write that. $89 for the wristwatch. Do we care about the blanket? Not really, so I don't care about the blanket. We want the discounted price as S dollars, so that is very important here. That is important piece of information, SQ. We're trying to find the expression, the amount of discount. Well, let's see. 80, how much for the discount? Correct. So we want to see, write the expression for the amount of the discount. Let's see. Here's the discount, right? So what are we going to do with the SQ dollars? Okay. Are we going to divide? No, because nothing is being broken down into pieces. Are we going to multiply? No, because the discount has nothing to do with the multiplying. We have to see if it's either adding or subtracting. Well, your discount value is going to be smaller or bigger than $89. Well, the discount is going to be smaller than the cost. So that's why it is going to be a subtraction. So there you go. That would be your expression. It would be 89 minus Q would be the expression for the amount of discount for the wristwatch. Now, let's take a look. For C, the shopping building is G feet tall, and the building has 5 stories, and each story is the same height. Write the expression for the height each story in the building is. So let's me draw the building so you can see it. Here's the building. Right now it is G feet tall, and we want to have it into 5 stories. Here's the first story, here's the second story, here's the third story, here's the fourth, and here's the fifth. We're trying to find the height of each story, so we're trying to find this height here. Okay, well, it looks like what we're essentially doing is breaking up that 9 into 5 pieces. That is the act of dividing. So we have 9, which is going to be the height. Then we're going to divide that by the 5 stories. Okay, this, sorry, that's not a 9. That should be a G. Okay, G feet tall. Okay, the G feet tall is going to be divided by the 5, which is representing the 5 stories. There you go. And let's look at question D. Rona has worked as a scale staff in a dressing store for 6 months. She earns her basic salary of $45 per month. In addition, she earns $2 for each dress she sells. Last month, she sold P dresses. Write an expression for her total monthly salary last month. So, does it matter that we care about for the last 6 months? No, because we only want last month's. Okay, she has a basic salary of $45, and then she is in, here's the keyword here, addition. So that's going to be an add. So let's put our basic salary amount, which is $450. We're going to add that to this part that says $2 for each dress she sells, and there is P dresses. So here's the $2, and that's going to be for every single dress. So 2 times the dress, and we know that the dress is the P. So it is 2 times P. 2P plus 450 would be the salary for her last month.